the want of time, now I hand over to Dr. Vrushab. He's a pediatric neurologist by profession, but he has been dealing with COVID in one of the topmost hospitals in Mumbai for last 2 years. And he has a hands-on experience of how he feels children and COVID behave together. So over to Dr. Vrushab.
Yeah, hi. And the video. Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. And I could see there are at least half the amount of crowd which was there to begin with. So COVID and children has really rung the bell, and everyone is a bit worried that what would happen next with the third wave. So I have been working with children. I have been seeing children day in day out for last 15 months since we have started our facility in COVID, and I have been seeing COVID in and out up close, personal, the good, bad, and the ugly. So the best part is the good is a larger part. Most of them go home happy, smiling, and most of them would not have many symptoms, maybe some fever, cough, cold. The bad is a bit more than the ugly, but yes, we are able to save them, and proudly we could say that yes, we have been successful in saving most of the children who have been presenting with a severe form of. And ugly part is always there with any other profession, with any other. It's finally life, and we how much ever hard we try, but at times we do fail. But you know what? The ugly part is minuscule, बहुत कम है. So ऐसा नहीं है कि कोविड हो गया तो it's end of the life. That's not the truth. डरना नहीं है, but at the same time we have to be cautious. So it doesn't mean कि पूरा दबंग होना है कि मैंने मास्क निकाल दिया, right? So we have to mask up. We have to maintain physical distancing. We have to maintain basic hygiene, right? And COVID hua, once it comes knocking at your door, don't be afraid. There are professionals to help you. Don't be afraid to get tested. Don't be afraid to get your children tested, because best thing is that once you test and you know that test is positive, and if at all you need hospitalization, it is easier to get a hospital bed. If you don't test and you wait for 24 hours to get the test results after you need hospitalization, it's going to be a problem. So don't be afraid of getting tested. There is nothing इसके बारे में कोई स्टिग्मा नहीं है कि कोविड हो गया तो अभी क्या लोग क्या कहेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. बहुत लोगों को होके गया मालूम भी नहीं पड़ा है, right? So yes, we have to be prepared, but we don't have to be worried, and we don't have to be afraid. So all in all is not lost. Hope is still there. Or after 15 months of working in pediatric COVID ward day in day out every day, I could say that yes, we are going to win this battle. There will be a few casualties, but we should be prepared for it. But at the same time, we should not lose or leave our guard down. Thank you once again for the patient listening, and I hope that all our specialists who have told so many things about day-to-day living with COVID help you a lot in your day-to-day living further.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Vrushab. That was directly from the horse's mouth that you heard. Do not be afraid of the COVID. It's the new normal for us as of now. Don't be afraid, be prepared, and take life every day as a new day. With that note, I would just move on to the very special class of patients and questions that we have here for Dr. Manisha. She's the lactation expert, lactation consultant with us. And the most important question that has been there in many mothers' minds are that can lactating mothers who are COVID positive still breastfeed their children? And can mothers who are lactating take the COVID vaccine? Over to Dr. Manisha now.
Yeah, thank you, Sonal. See, mothers who are suspected COVID or COVID positive, Dr. Alisha has already mentioned that they can continue to exclusively breastfeed their babies. We now have many studies which, validate the same. But what we find is that, parents are giving us panic calls saying that sometimes it's the father who calls that, my wife is COVID positive and I have seen on Google and I have asked my doctor that we can breastfeed, but she's on so many medications. So the thing is, if a mother is on medications, especially all the COVID medications, most of them, the quantity that passes into breast milk is really very, very low. So it can hardly affect the baby. And if at all, then yes, we can watch the baby for symptoms, but we cannot deprive the baby of breast milk just because the mother is on medication. So COVID per se is not a contraindication. And if the mother is on many medications, we can watch the baby for side effects. If she is too sick to breastfeed, yes, Dr. Alisha already mentioned that she can keep giving pumped milk. And there have been many mothers who have lost the chance to breastfeed because of wrong advice given to them. And we are now getting such mothers back for relactation. So yes, if a mother has stopped breastfeeding, she can still restart. So there are various methods, simple and complex, as well as there are medications. So we work with such mothers as well. And about vaccination, yes, all lactating mothers now, our Indian vaccines have also been cleared for them. In fact, they have a privileged walk-in service also. They just have to carry their baby's birth certificate with them and they will get their vaccine, and it is proven to be safe. So I think that's all on lactation that I have to say.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Manisha. I think that concludes our session. Hope we gave you enough information. 2 hours was a long time, but I hope you had a huge resource of information passed on to you here today. And it's a treasure. Please use it well. And we hope all of us stay safe and secure in this difficult time. Thank you, everyone, and stay safe. Would love you to review us. We will send you the link to review us, and we would love to hear from you your feedback on how to improve this session. We might come up with small videos, parts of this session, so that whatever part you are most interested in, you can view. So there are quite a few things coming up on our website, on our group, and kindly look out for us. Take care, stay safe, adios.